Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2022 Honda HRV air filter replacement. Now go ahead and pop your hood and go ahead and come over here on the driver's side inside the engine bay. This box right here is the air filter inside. Okay, now there's three snap lock. There's one right here. Go ahead and pull back the snap lock. Okay, there's two on this side, one in the rear and one in the front of that one. Go ahead and lift and pull out your old filter just like that, and make sure you remember this corner right here is cut off. That's the one that's going inside on the left hand side looking in. Now go ahead and replace your new one. Go ahead and lift it, and I can do this with one hand, so it should be pretty easy for you. Go ahead and push it in and place it down. Make sure it goes down all the way. Just sit like that. Go ahead and close this cap right here and go ahead and snap in the snap lock, and that is how we do it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.